Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a platform from Google which will give you money, which will give you earning on your content, whether your content is on your website or it is published on YouTube. You can get money in reward by surfing the ads from the Google, and that will happen when Google will approve your website or Google will approve your YouTube channel. So the minimum criteria for YouTube is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in a year. So for example, if your YouTube channel got 1000 subscribers, and if you have, and you can see that my channel has around 7.8k subscribers right now, and if you have 4000 plus watch hours per year, then you will be approved from Google AdSense for YouTube channel, and your videos will be monetized and you will get reward or you will get earnings from your YouTube channel. The case in the terms of website is a little bit different. If you have more visitors, for example, I will show you a blogspot website which is actually approved. This one, if you will just see this blog, this is a website, and this website is approved by Google, and you will see the ads here, the Google ads. Here you can see this is a Google ad, and if you go to certain page you will see the Google ads here as well. Okay, so this site is approved. And why this site is approved? The first thing is that this site has enough content, so at least 35 articles are needed for the approval. So you can see that this website has 685 posts, and also you should need 1000 per day visitors at least. Okay, so if you go to states, you will see that this website has around 55,000 users or visitors per day. Okay, so it means that we have 5,000 users. So if these users, then you will be approved by Google AdSense. So for Google AdSense, you can just go to the Google AdSense and you can click on Get Started if you are new to Google AdSense, or if you already have account, you can just log in, and then you can use this platform. Okay, so in next video we will study this Google AdSense thing a little bit in detail. Thank you very much. Goodbye.